What's up, everybody? This is Russell from Russell Tracy Photography, and just want to do a quick video on camera straps. I'm assuming everybody uses some sort of strap or device to carry their camera for them. Personally, I use a BlackRapid strap. There's a bunch of different ones. There's the Peak Design. There's the good old-fashioned, just Nikon, Canon, Sony, whatever, the one that comes with the camera. What I want to talk about today is camera straps fail. I see all the time online about people, they'll post a story about how their camera strap failed. For example, I'm looking at one right now on PetaPixel. It just came up today. This is May 26th. And basically he was using a Peak Design Capture Clip version 2. Apparently Peak Design's on the Capture 3. What happened was he was using it and he had a Sony a7 II and a 55 1.8, and it just fell off the clip, hit the ground, and then it says about 30 minutes later basically the clip failed, dropping the camera on the ground again. And this is a quote from the photographer. I don't know if it was straight up malfunction or user error or some combination of both. I had the clip on my belt horizontally, which is not ideal since it slid out right onto the ground. After the first drop, I tightened everything on the clip, making sure it was tight enough to hold the camera with some give, but made sure it was locked in. The clip is designed to give an audible click noise every time it is locked, and after the first drop, I triple checked everything was secure. This is a Peak Design. I've never actually dropped my camera when it was on the strap, but I have, with my BlackRapid, I have had the little screw come loose, and I've caught that before I've put it on. The big thing is, whatever type of strap that you're using, make sure, one, you know how to use it properly. Two, make sure it's set up properly. If you're using the Peak Design, make sure it's clicked in, make sure all that stuff. If you're using the BlackRapid, make sure the little screw is tightened in. Check it all, check it off and make sure it's still, not coming unscrewed. Like I've said, I've never personally had one fall off my BlackRapid strap, but I've read stories about other people that it has happened to. Now, moving on to kind of the interesting thing and the reason I'm bringing this up, I was looking on BlackRapid trade-in program a couple days ago, and I'm looking at the information right here. Basically, the way that it works is you're going to take a picture of the strap that you have, including the screw and fastener, the whole thing, a shot of the whole strap. You're going to send the entire strap to BlackRapid. Then you fill out a form online, you upload the photo of the strap, you include the shipping information, all that stuff, and BlackRapid will send you a discount code for 40% off a brand new strap, which is kind of neat. Now, I believe there is some caveats to this. I believe the strap has to be over a year old or something like that. I'll link all the information in the description below. If you use a BlackRapid strap, and apparently it says BlackRapid's trade-in program allows customers to trade in their old straps whose 1-year warranty has expired, or a sling strap from another brand. So even if you don't use BlackRapid, if you have a sling style strap that goes across and you want to trade that in for BlackRapid, BlackRapid will give you the 40% off. And the even kind of cooler thing is the 40% off code that they're going to send you is good. It's a one-time code. It's good for anything in your shopping cart. So if you want to buy 10 slings and a bunch of other, accessories and stuff like that, the 40% is applied to the entire shipping cart. According to BlackRapid, basically the time to get your new strap is, in the United States, is basically based on how soon you send the form in and the shipping method that you use when you check out. Just thought this was kind of neat information. Even if you don't use the BlackRapid code, I just saw this and that's why I wanted to let everybody else know about it. Check your camera straps, make sure they're good, make sure you know how to work them, make sure they're not going to fail on you. You don't want to drop your camera, you don't want to break your camera. This is Russell from Russell Tracy Photography. Have a good day.